Why would you pay separately for GPT, Claude, Mistral, and others when you can get them all in one place for a single price? Today I'm going to show you ChatLLM, the subscription that makes AI way smarter for your wallet and your productivity. Imagine paying OpenAI for GPT, Anthropic for Claude, maybe Mistral too. Before you know it, your bill looks like Netflix plus Disney plus HBO combined. ChatLLM solves that. Instead of chasing every LLM separately, you subscribe here once, and you get them all. So what makes this smarter? 2 words: simplicity and value. You get the most popular models in one elegant hub. Let me show you how easy it is to register and subscribe. It honestly takes less than a minute. Head to apps.abacus.ai/ChatLLM, hit register, and you're in. Choose Basic for $10 or Pro for $20. Done. That's less than a combo meal, yet you unlock multiple state-of-the-art LLMs all at once. And here's the best part. You don't just get models, you get features that make your workflow supercharged. For developers, there are RouteLLM APIs. Instantly switch between GPT, Claude, and others in one unified API format. No messy reconfigurations and no stress. For creators, you've got built-in video generation, Libsyn, even DeepAgent for long-form research assistance. And for teams, it's designed to collaborate. Multiple users, one shared subscription for smooth collaboration. Let me give you a quick example. I prompt GPT to summarize an article. Done in seconds. Now I want Claude to rewrite it in a clearer, more human way. Just switch the drop. Done. No separate apps, no new logins and separate platforms. Want creative flair from Mistral or precision from GPT-4? Same chat box, instant switch. One subscription, many voices. This is what makes ChatLLM Teams less of a chatbot and more of a hub, your central point of access to the AI universe. You want flexibility? You've got it. You want stability? You've got that too, all without racking up 5 different credit card charges. Let's go deeper into the features. For example, video creation. With just a few clicks in the toolbar, you can generate short-form videos directly in ChatLLM platform. Need Libsyn's performers for your project? Click Libsyn, upload a voice, and let the AI do its magic. For businesses, the RouteLLM APIs mean one integration for all models. Whenever a new LLM comes out, you don't need to rewire your code. For creators, the built-in collaboration tools mean you can co-work with your team inside the same ChatLLM session. And here's the kicker. You don't lose flexibility. You're not locked into one model, one provider. It's all about choice. Switch, compare, experiment without worrying about blowing past multiple billing systems. Let's recap the essentials. Registration is easy, pricing is affordable, and features go beyond simple chat. Developers get APIs, creators get content tools, teams get collaboration. Everyone wins. Now let's address the real question. Why pay just for one AI, when for a fraction more, you can have them all? It's like having a supercar garage versus owning a single bike. Once you taste the full set of models, there's no going back. Now that you've seen what ChatLLM Teams can do today, here's the real question. What happens when you start pushing it further? DeepAgent for long research projects. Can it actually replace hours of Googling? Video automation with just a text prompt. Imagine skipping the editing grind, but how far can that go? Lip sync creation. Is it just for fun? Or could it actually change how influencers produce content? And what about switching instantly between Claude, GPT, or Mistral? Which one really wins when the stakes are real? we've only scratched the surface. The game isn't just about chatting with AI, it's about discovering how far this tech can bend, break limits, and maybe even create things we don't expect. So ask yourself, what would you try first? Research automation, instant video, building your own ideas into the AI flow. That's the journey ahead. And trust me, the next step is where it gets really interesting. That's where we're heading, and I can't wait to explore it with you. So stay curious, hit that bell if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video, where the real magic begins. Thank you, and see you next time.